Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a group in Instagram. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app and then tap the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then click the notes icon at the top right corner of your screen again. And then just search for contacts that you want to add to your group chat. So as you can see, I'm just adding accounts by checking the checkbox across the names that I want to add. And then feel free to name the group chat at the top of your screen. And then just click Create Group Chat. After that, you'll be taken to your group conversation and you can start messaging. And that's it. You now know how to create a group in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!